Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you unboxing of Pam8403 amplifier module with Bluetooth speaker. Here you can see that. In next project, I will make Bluetooth speaker. So subscribe and press bell icon for my next project notification. Now let's open it. Here you can see that there is amplifier module. There is two IC, one with Bluetooth module, and there is a Pam8403 amplifier module IC. There is 5 watt input voltage and there is 2 speaker wire. To volume up, there is volume up button and there is volume down module. There is speaker connection. So friend, that's all about from this video. If you will enjoy this video, so subscribe and press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.